Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So yesterday I was not online. Let me mute myself. Is it fine now? Looks good, right? Fine. Hmm. Okay. ठीक है. Okay, let's go then. So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So without wasting time, we'll get started. Actually, I was like looking at the market and I was getting an opportunity and I was available. So I thought let's just start a video. And so previously I started, but the quality of the streaming got changed to the 720, right? So in order to get a live stream with the full HD quality, I have to close that stream and then I have to reopen and reschedule another stream, right? So I did the same thing. So previously you will see that few things were working, and as of now the I have like noted, like see here the chart I have like prepared, which is like blank, nothing shows here. Here the chart which shows a breakdown and I was ready, right? So as soon as this breakdown happened, I like I seen just give me a moment. Hmm. Okay, so I have seen something moment like there is no continuation. First of all, let me open my pen. Let's just see if the pen is working or not, right? So I will explain you instead of like going through the chart first, right? See, this was the support zone and here was the breakdown. After the breakdown, it has like created a structure like this and it went up till the previous swing high. Like let's say this was the breakdown, so it went till this high. So this was the downfall, this was the retracement, right? Now this is the support and this is the breakdown, and I want to like if market gives a reversal, that's fine. I mean if market gives a continuation, that's fine, right? Just give me a moment. Reduce it to the 30 will be fine, right? Okay. So where is our pen? I guess here, right? Okay, let me bring it up. Fine. So if it gives a continuation, that's fine, because here is the downfall, here we have a consolidation and market can move again downside. So this is the probability, this is the trend, right? You guys know all these things, right? So this is the trend. But if you look at the higher time frame, the trend is positive, right? So based on that time frame, what I did, like I marked some Fibonacci zone here. So here the first trap happened, here the second trap happened, right? So if market gives a reversal, it will take the all the sellers SL. I'm not including this one. It will take at least these weak players SL. It will take, and there is a retest level at this level, which was this was the breakout and this was the retest. So if market has to like let's assume that this is like a fake breakout and it has given a big retracement, and if market wants to really go down, so what market will do? Market will not go down like this. Market will do like this. I will tell you guys. Okay, I have to delete all. See, I will mark this. Okay, let's just see the line only. See, this is the resistance, right? We'll go with the detailed explanation. So this was the big momentum, upside momentum. This was the consolidation. This was the breakout and this was sustained. So today morning market opened, went directly up. It has created a swing here. First trap the buyers here, then given a breakdown, then retest and downfall, then again consolidation, then again downfall. And see, for this momentum there was a big retracement, then there was again continuation, again retracement, again continuation. So for this big momentum, this was the continuation, or let's say this was the time correction. After the time correction, I'm expecting a downfall, right? But as the major time frame, it's an uptrend, so I believe that this can become a fake breakdown. So if this becomes a fake breakdown, what market will do? Market will go slowly up, slowly up, hitting the every player's SL which is in the line, and there is a resistance level at this level, so this can be your target. So if market reaches this level, if you have like in buy position, you can book your profit, and market may continue to rally upside because the trend is positive. But if it gives a reversal, then you will not lose the money, or you will not take the stop loss amount. At least here, once it reaches this level, you trail your SL at profit or at cost to cost, and better to book at least 50-60% quantity before reaching this level, because market can reverse from this level also. There is a possibility, right? You are taking entry somewhere around here, you can take a target here, right? So let's just see our next chart, which is I explained you here. And this is the detailed explanation with indicators, not indicators, but the tools that I use in the market. See, there is a swing high, swing low here. There is also a swing low here. You can mark from here also or here also. You will notice that if you mark from this level, this is your 0.5 level, 0.618 level, and here is the breakdown, right? So if this is a breakdown, it has to give continuation. If it gives a reversal, that means there is a possibility that these are the seller's trap. Are you getting my point? So according to that only, we have taken our latest trade, right, with the small stop loss, and I have explained you the everything, right? Okay, so now what do you see? Just give me a moment. Fine. Now what do you see here? See, I have seen somewhere around support like here. What is the, yeah, so this is the support zone, right? And this was the support market took, and it has given a breakdown. So after the breakdown, I'm expecting a continuation because it's a trendy market. So trendy market, time correction, and then trendy market. Are you getting my point? So if market wants to hit my SL, it will hit within 10-15 minutes. If this doesn't happens, there is a slightly a higher possibility that market will go up higher, and it will give me a big target, or at least my target 1 and target 2, it will give me for sure. So I hope this logic is clear to you, and let's just move to our big screen. As of now, I have like 1 hour chart. Now the reason why I'm using this multiple time frame, because there was hourly close before taking my trade. So sometimes what market does, market do some crazy things. Here if you see, there is no wick, and if you see, for every candle there are top and bottom wick. See, for every candle, no matter it's a bullish candle or bearish candle, right? So see, this was the bullish candle, it has a wick, and this has a very much big wick. This is also has a wick, this is also has a wick. So every candle has a slight bottoms and tops, right? So the reason why I'm worried about, because if you see, the candle just opened and there is no bottom wick. So first thing, it can be a bottom wick, like market can give a bottom wick and then go upside. But before looking at that, what market is doing, market has given us such a good upside momentum. So for if market is falling, and if market gives such a big momentum on upside, that means it's a retracement and market can go down. So it can take this SL also, like it can take this SL also. There is a probability, I'm not saying anything, there is a probability. But if we are a trader, we have to take the responsibility. Are you getting my point? We have to take the responsibility. We need some confidence in our setup, right? Though it can hit your SL, but as per your risk reward ratio, if it gives you entry, you have to take that entry if it is in your pocket size, right? And yearly the trade is very good, yearly everything is good, so there is no meaning of holding up. So if you are not confident, the rule, what rule says, you have to take with the less quantity, right? So we'll go with the small, like I have in this, I am with the small quantity. But if it gives a bottom week or like again trap here, I will be going with 100% quantity, right? So this is the simple trade, right? Now let's just switch to the 15-minute time frame, right? And one more thing, I will just switch back. Okay, we'll do regular analysis, guys, because this trade is going on. You can preview in the second window, not in the, actually this is the first window, right? We'll like do it like this. We'll make it slow, right? Are you getting my point? So this is our first window, which is like the actual trade which is working and going on, right? It gave me a chance, re-entry chance also in the very short time, but as we were in a discussion, so I didn't it went directly up within few minutes, guys. So instead of like, I wanted to tell you this can be a retracement, or if someone has not added, they can add. But the market went like crazy up. So if market way goes like crazy up, I can't do anything, right? So there is nothing that can I do, right? Fine. So let's just move to which where we need to move. Okay, fine. So we were discussing about the market, right? So this is the daily time frame and this is the gold, right? And what do you see here? I see a crazy breakout, guys. See, I told you, see, this is a big up bow and this is a big consolidation. There is a trap, and if this is a genuine breakout, if market goes up high, it can give you a continuation candle. See, these are the continuation candles. Previously, this happened before or not? Yes, definitely happened. When this happened? Somewhere around here. See, it went up and it directly went up. Again also this happened, it went up, it went up. So if you measure the points, how much it travels after the breakout is probably around 200 to 300 points. Here also it has moved like 100 points, then there was a small consolidation, then there was another 100-point rally, and for this again there was a retracement, and for this retracement it went up like crazy 500 points upside. Are you getting my point? So there are endless possibilities that can happen in the market, and if this is a genuine breakout, market can move up higher, because see, the here are two things. It's a breakout, either it's a fake breakout or it's a genuine breakout. So we have to take small risks, and based on that only we have to perform our trading. We don't need to like take a big risk, like we entered here, put SL like here. See how much is the SL here? It's like around 140 points. So even one lot 0.0 watt can cost you almost $150. So I'm not going to give you that advice. You know the trend is positive, so either you enter on retracement, you enter on trap, you enter on, like whatever your setup is, you have to look for buys only. For this reason, unless and until you get a confirmation that this is a trap or this is giving us some kind of a negative sentiment in the market, right, or negative price action structure in the market, that time you can do it, right? Now daily time frame we have analyzed. This looks a bullish candle and looks like this is a retest, and I'm not able to find the exact what we say, I'm not able to find exact level for retracement on daily time frame. So what we do, we have to switch to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, on 4-hour time frame I have seen, okay, there is a momentum in the market, there was a retracement in the market, there was again momentum in the market, and there is a possible retracement in the market. So retracement, if you see, this is the breakout and this is also a swing here. So there are two levels, either this or this. Are you getting my point? So we'll here I have marked like randomly like this, but if we once we switch to the hourly time frame, 15-minute time frame, we'll mark the exact levels from where market can go up and down, or it can take support or resistance from like from that levels, right? Okay. So well, let's just okay, on hourly time frame, sorry, on 4-hour time frame, it's a picture that is showing this up more retracement and it can go up. So currently these are the retrace candles as of now, right? So we don't know where retracement can come, so we can go on shorter time frame to find the traps and every setup, right? So on 4-hour time frame also there is no reversal. See, there is a up move, there is a big retracement also. Are you getting my point? See, there is a big up move, there is a big retracement, and there can be an another big momentum on upside. This is the first thing. Again there was a like, see, this was the structure, this was the structure, it now converted into like this, so we can assume it like this. Are you getting my point? Again, now the picture is clear. Let's switch back to the hourly time frame. On a hourly time frame, what do you see here? On a hourly time frame, let's just move it to the chart here. Fine, hide this, bring me this, fine, right? Today the picture will be like small because I'm streaming from the ultra wide monitor, right? So if I stream from the good only 1080p monitor, it will be a good visible plus better quality, because here the screen will be big, so might be you will see a good in mobile screen but not in desktop, or like if you're watching from desktop, right? Anyway, fine, we'll just go with this, and okay, so on hourly time frame we are going to analyze it. So currently there was a good channel in the market. See, it has given a fake breakdown. Once it reached the top, it can like it again came at bottom, and then it has like started moving upside. Are you getting my point? It has started moving upside, so there is a good momentum in the market, and this called as a retracement, because for this momentum there is a retracement, again momentum, again retracement, again momentum, again retracement, again momentum. So as of now there are few things. This is the first momentum, second momentum, third momentum. These three cycles already completed. All these cycles are already completed, right? So might be this is a time correction, first thing. Might be this is the time correction, or might be this is the price correction. There are two corrections in the market, time correction and price correction. Are you getting my point? So these two corrections are there in the market. These are the proper corrections, right? So this looks like on hourly time frame price correction, because price is currently straight away coming down. Here there was a time correction, here there was a time correction because time price was consolidating. So this is the time correction, price was consolidating, but here the price is moving, that means it's a price correction, right? Here also you will notice there is a time correction, here also you will notice it was a time correction. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me switch back to the my broker terminal in order to find the potential opportunities if market is good, because market is at support, right? Fine. Now we'll move to the analysis, right? And let's just start. Fine. So we are discussing about something, and the reason why I stopped, because I will tell you on this time frame it has retest level, right? So we'll discuss in detail also whatever the things, right? Because here previously I told you it has not given me an opportunity, and now on hourly time frame it's giving me an opportunity kind of a thing, right? Okay, so let's just wait here. On hourly time frame the picture is clear, and it's kind of looking like a price correction, right? Not a time correction. So now the picture is clear, and if you want to like measure, we'll like see whatever the drawings are there, right? Okay, looks good, but we have to unhide everything in order to make it. See, on hourly time frame it has to come like very downside. On hourly time frame it has to travel like 30 points or like 50 points, probably 45 points it has to travel in order to give big retracement. So if this is a genuine breakout, we'll like do one thing, we will buy at this level. So this is our buying level. If in case if it comes to a retest level at this level, right? If it comes for retracement at this level, and there is a possibility, let's just see as a fib buying area only, we'll mark fib buying area and delete this, right? Now if market is in bullish, heavy bullish, see this market is heavy bullish, right? So market will not market will not come to this zone very often. It can go up from this level or this level, right? So in order to get daily setup, in order to get trades for full day, what we can do, we can go on shorter time frame and then trade that retracement, right? So here if market comes here, the target will be obviously this one. So they here is the big target. So these are the big targets if we are taking entry from here. But if we take entry from here on shorter time frame, stop loss will be like this, target will be like in between these only. No high target. Here the target will be very small, not a big target, right? So we'll delete everything, and let's just switch back to the 30-minute time frame, right? Hide everything. And if you see currently on a 30-minute time frame, see now there is no need to go back and see previous, because we have marked this as per the higher time frame, we have marked this zone. We have marked this zone. If price comes at this level, gives a trap. Okay, what a trap should look like, I will explain you in very short time. See, this is the bottom, and there is a top, right? For this bottom and top we have marked Fibonacci. This was our buying zone, and here we have a trap, and this trap can be seen on shorter time frame, not on bigger time frame, right? And we'll see this also, and for this it has given confirmation, and after the after the trap it has given so much good rally. So this is the setup we actually trade on a higher time frame retracement, right? And you will notice it has broken the swing high here. Almost how much points it has like given? It has given like almost 100 points. So this is what happens. So this is the power of big retracement on higher time frame, right? So if price gives us a retracement and trap at this level, you can try it like this. You will get a big target. And how much is target here? Probably of 60, minimum 65 points here. Are you getting my point? So this is what a higher time frame and this big buying zone like structure gives us like opportunity, right? Now 30-minute is not clear, and as of now I can see by looking at the market, there is a previous red candle, there is an inside candle, and there is a wick. Are you getting my point? So this wick is very important. Let me switch back to the hourly time frame, and now you will notice why the wick is very important. Are you getting my point? So those who are wick bias, they are out of trade, they are out from the trade. And look at the momentum on, like, let's see 30-minute. See, the candle just flipped, guys. The candle just flipped. It has just flipped, right? Now went back to the 15-minute time frame, and you can clearly see 15-minute is also okay. See, now 15-minute, now this is my time frame, guys. This is my time frame. The reason why I'm saying, because now the picture is very clear, right? I will show everything. See, once market reach this level, or I will trade. So if market comes at this level, I'm going to do my analysis and trade if market reaches this zone, right? Currently, so I will be not much watching market in this zone. I will be watching for sure, but when there is a setup. But in this setup, I will be highly active. The reason why I'm saying, because previously on Friday when I shared this, when market gives the trap here, I'm going to buy, right? You can go and check back my previous, let's just see if we have this thing, right? Let's just see view your channel, and it is a Friday stream, right? Okay, okay, it is like only, okay, just give me a moment. This one, right? This one looks fine. Okay, fine, we'll just go back. Let's just see. Where is that? Where is that? Okay, here I have marked, right? Let me see if I have marked it on higher time frame or sometime. Not on higher time frame, right? But you will notice this thing, right? Let me just show on this chart. See, this was it, and I guess it was somewhere around. Let's just switch back to the 15-minute time frame, right? See, here it was, right? See, this was the fib buying zone. The same buying zone comes here, right? And I was waiting for like trap here, and then I was entering for the buys. I don't know how much was target I set it for, but let's just see. I don't know. Okay, let's just see how, which is this one. Not this one. Okay, I'm not getting. Okay, here we have, right? See, so this is the trade. I will mark again for you, buying zone, right? Because this is, I have marked based on the Fibonacci, right? So if I have marked based on the Fibonacci, there is no meaning of it, right? I mean, there is no way that I can change this, right? You will notice if I extend it, see, here we have, right? And here we have it, right? So this is the trap here, and this was our trade. And you can go back and check what I told you, what I like wanted to tell you. When there is a trap, you have to like wait and do it like this. I have already explained you in detail, right? Okay, fine. So this was the buying, and it has given me opportunity yesterday, right? This was another story, because here we have a day low and we have a swing high here. This was a retracement. There was a trap on a smaller time frame, and the trade went like this. But if I mark this trade, you will see probably I guess where we tried somewhere around here, I guess, like this, and stop loss will be like 75 or something, right? See, you will see 75 is somewhere around here. So you will notice that stop loss got hitted here, right? But here the important thing is that whether you got the opportunity or not, that is the main thing. And where you have to find a trap here, right? And you will notice that this was the breakdown candle, right? So this was the breakdown candle. Say market went down, retested, and it has to go it like this. It has to go down, but it went up, broken the swing, broken the swing, broken the swing, and broken the swing. So that is why I took this trade, right? And that is why it has given me such a good target here, only here, not here. I didn't traded this because it was at night, right? So I didn't took this, so I deleted this. But here I took this entry, right? So here I took this entry, and I booked somewhere around like 49 or something, 47 or 49 something points in this trade. Are you getting my point? In this trade I booked that, right? Okay, so now let's just move to our trade, and it might be a stop loss hunting trade. As of now I can clearly see it has given a wick here, right? So my stop loss got hit here. Let me just close my trade with a small quantity, right? Because I'm still waiting here with the big momentum, right? So I'm waiting for a big confirmation here, and let's just see if I get an opportunity for the same, right? Because on hourly time frame we have discussed everything, right? Now we'll hide everything, switch back to the hourly time frame, and I can clearly see previous low has been broken. Now I will be going to the 15-minute time frame. This is also looks good. There is like another 1 minute. Okay, let's just switch back to the 5-minute time frame. There is 1 minute and 21 seconds remaining. We'll wait for this, guys. I will wait for this. No matter previously I have like exited with the trade because I had to just keep the low as SL. Because see, if this is a continuation, see, I will tell you, if this is a continuation of this candle, so it will go it like this. I have told you guys, right? So if it is trendy, that means it will go directly down. So I have to be very specific with my SL. So if SL hits, that's okay, I will re-enter with the same SL. But if I hold and if it is gives this much trendy momentum, that means I'm going to lose more on this trade. There is a possibility that it can create like this much candle in just 1 minute or 5 minutes. So at that time my SL will be like 2x. So if, let's say I have keep like 30 pip as a SL or 50 pip as SL. Let's see in points. So 3-point SL or 5-point SL. So for this 5-point SL, if the candles gives like 7-8 points, it will become like 10 to 12 points. So I will lose 2x money. That means my risk is like 5 points and I will lose like 10 to 12 points, right? So instead of losing this 10-12 points within few minutes, I will be doing like I will be placing my stop loss below the level, maybe a point or 0.5 points away from my stop loss. That will be a buffer. And after that, if it hit SL, that's fine. But if it gives a reversal, gives me confirmation, I will enter again with the 5-point stop loss. That is 50 points in the gold. 50 or 30, whatever the point is, right? So this will give me a chance for re-entry, a proper entry, a confident setup, and a better risk reward ratio. If I hold it here and it just go down, my risk reward will be not good. My confidence will be low. I will be holding a losing trade and there is no setup because the setup just broke your role. It has to go up. It is going down. That means it is going against you, right? So this is what you have to focus on it, right? So on 5-minute time frame, what I currently expected and whatever currently going in the market is totally opposite. What I expected here, I will tell you. See, this is the fake breakdown. The story, this is the fake breakdown. It has given a change of character. It has to go up. But we have discussed on hourly time frame, there is no bottom wick. So it can come for bottom wick. That is fine. But it has to go up. It has to go up. But currently it is going down and it can go down and down and down because see, the price action is still like this. Here there was a trap. Here there was a trap. See, this small is a trap. Are you getting my point? And this is the top wick of hourly candle. You will notice that, see, this is the top wick of hourly candle. Now there is a bottom wick also. So there is a possibility now. Now there is a possibility that it has hit everybody's SL and there is also previous buying momentum shown. So if that buyers are valid, they have like taken out everyone from the trade and it can go up. So I will be again taking some quantity here, right? But for that we need a confirmation, right? So I will be just see here 27 points, not 27 exactly. I will tell you guys. 27, not 27. It's like around. Give me a moment. 32. 32. That means 3.2. This was a 3 point. I have like entered somewhere around up here. Those who remember it. So entry I like randomly marked, but here 3.2 point SL is gone. So those who know, when like here also it is like 1:3 trade. It is like 1:3 trade till 73, but 75 around I have my target, right? But here we have like seen on 5-minute time frame, there is a sharp reversal. So this is fine because 1:3 is what I needed. So actually 1:2 is what I needed somewhere around here, right? And 1:3 I will be booking somewhere around 80%, 75% quantity. So this is what I need. And if market gives big, that is up to market, right? Okay, let's just make it like this. Magnet mode is on 50%. Fine, right? Okay, now see what happened in the market. It has hit our SL, a very short SL. It has hit, right? And if you kindly just note, if I have to just buffer it, the buffer got hit, not the SL, the buffer got hit here. See, the buffer got hit here, right? It has just given a bottom wick, right? So let me, if market comes here, let me add few quantities here, and we'll add another at retracement or at confirmation, right? Because here, see, my SL got heated in just like a spike, and it is like now around like 1.5 points SL, 1.5 rupees SL with the small quantity. So I can risk that, so that if market gives a trap here, so if this is a trap here and if it is go straight away up without giving me entry, that small quantity can cover my loss, plus it will make us some small amount of money, not a good money because the quantities are small, right? Okay, so let's just come here, it is at my previous, not at exactly, but it is somewhere near to my previous entries. Okay, fine. So this 5 minute I will keep running. See guys, this 5 minute candle is very bullish. This is what I needed, right? On hourly time frame, you will notice it has created a bottom wick, right? So this is what actually I was looking for. If we wait for that bottom wick, that is totally fine. But sometimes it directly goes up and gives a target, then again gives a reversal, and then again gives target. So that's why I was worried. Previously also I'm not gone with the 100% quantity, and at this time also I'm not going with the 100% quantity. Plus the SLs are way too less. SLs are way too less. Here I have like around 1.5 point SL, 1.5, that means 15 to 20 pips SL. Previously it was 32 pips. That is actually hitted SL. The exact SL was less than 2.5. I mean exactly like around it will be around 2.5 only, right? Here you will notice somewhere around here it was like around 2.6, 2.5. With the buffer it hitted my SL like 3.2, but the SL was 2.5 only. So see, we will wait here, and I will be refreshing my account. Let's just see how much I have utilized here. Okay, 8.4 and 6.6, 7 and 8. How much it? 7 and 8. Okay, 15, right? That is fine. 15 is a good number. 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, fine. We'll see you guys in few minutes, right? Okay, it's around 10, 15. Okay. Now what we need to do? Okay, I will be doing like this here. This is hourly time frame. This is okay. Okay, you will get a confusion here because there are like two lines here, two boxes here. These are the simples. There is no rocket science. If I hide everything. Okay, let's just see on the bigger screen, guys, right? Make this is a big screen, right? Sorry. Wow, the trade is going like this, right? With the small quantity. As soon as the swing got crossed here, somewhere around here, right? So this is what is our exactly, right? We'll see, like I have not placed SL in this trade, like not placed in the system, but if it gives a reversal or kind of say things, probably I'm going to exit, right? So we'll keep it like this as of now, but the SL is probably, let's just see based on the candlestick it is making, because I have entered at the bottom, so that's why I'm telling you, right? So see, as of now it is like 1:5.5, but fine, right? So see, we were going to discuss about these two red boxes and these lines, right? I will unhide everything and you will see these are the lines. See, this is the reversal or a support zone. Are you getting my point? See, these are the sharp reversals, or let's say reversal only, right? Because we have a reversal only, right? But once it crosses, it has also given upside momentum also. But this is a like good support and resistance. Plus this is a previous swing. See, this is the previous swing. So if market gives a breakout, it will give a retest and then it will go up. So it will either create a trap, it will create a fib retracement, it will give a small upside momentum, it will give a sharp reversal momentum. So these things are possible in this zone. In this zone, these things are possible. So if you notice it previously, it has given like a reversal from here, retracement and again sharp reversal. If you see on here, see from here it has given a sharp reversal, and how much was it? Around like 30 points. Are you getting my point? 30 points was the total, right? Here also from this level it has given like another 20 points. Here how much it has given? Around 50 points, 47 points. These levels are important, right? Here it has like given a good volatile movement. I'm not saying any rally, but here it is a volatile one. See, here it has created a trap, it has created a bottom wick, and then it started moving up, and it was just like a very good momentum. See, almost 67 70 points. So this was it, right? So that's why I have marked this zone. And now these are the lines which I have already explained. Now switch back to the 15-minute time frame, and now we need to discuss about this red zones, right? So currently the market structure is like this. You can clearly see market structure is lower lows and higher lows. So it's kind of a showing downtrend momentum. So for downtrend momentum, there is a supply or there is a reversal point. See, when market goes up, it can go down from here, or there is a resistance, it can go down from here, or it can go down from here, or it can go down from here. Are you getting my point? These are the reversal points. Now on 15-minute time frame, if I hide everything, whatever the reversal points you can see, let me just mark it for you, right? So we'll mark this. We have a wick here, so there is a reversal point, right? We'll delete this. See, this is the reversal point. Now we have like this is like very big wick, so we can't trade this. Let's unhide everything. On 15-minute time frame, we have one wick here, or you can mark it like this also. These are fine, right? But if you see, there is a tapping for these two zones, which is somewhere around here, combined zone, right? So we will delete one more thing. How to delete it? Deleted everything, right? Eraser, I think we needed, right? Okay, let's just see. Let's just delete this, and let's just delete top. So we have a addition of the area, which is how to delete, man. Okay, now we'll select the pane here. See, now we have these things here. See, we have this thing, we have one reversal area, we have two reversal area. So if this becomes a trap, which is again it has created another short trap here, a small trap here, right? So if this two becomes a trap, market will take first these SL and second these SL. So this is likely to be like a reversal area first, reversal area second. So these are the two reversal areas, right? Let's just, okay, I think that's it. And now I will unhide my, see, are you getting my point? Now you will notice why I have marked this red zone and this red zone. So these are the reversal points, and these are the short reversal points. It has no effect on my trading. It's just for my understanding only, right? Now let's just switch back to the, okay, this 15 minutes is fine. We'll just make our chart 50-50, right? And I will hide everything here. See, now it has created a top wick. It has created a top wick. So price is consolidating, right? As the price is consolidating, I am not going with the 100% quantity. Are you getting my point? Again, these are non-confirmation setup. These are good setup, but there is no confirmation on 5-minute time frame. So let's just see how a 5-minute confirmation will give me a good result, right? So this is a 5-minute time frame. See, now the price action is like this. Are you getting my point? So every time it is making a new low here, but there is like, if you see significant, this was the breakdown. This doesn't looks a proper breakdown. So if see, this is the big momentum, this can be a time correction, like a consolidation. So either it will go up or it will go down. So this is the consolidation. If you take multiple entries here, you will end up hitting your most of the SLs because the market is in range. So for these things, how to avoid don't take 100% quantity here. Let's say you are taking like 30% quantity only, not even 50%, only 30% quantity here. If you hit 3 SL, that means you are going to lose only one trade here. The reason why, because 30 30 30, it will be like 90%, and let's assume you have 10% additional charges, right? So you will lose only one trade here, not three trade. This is called as the risk reward ratio. I mean, sorry, this is called as the risk management and trade management based on the structures or based on the confirmation. So at any point in this setup, currently the market is going like this. It has given a breakdown, right? It went up, came down, went up, came down, went up. At any point, if this gives a confirmation like this and like this, see, first swing, second swing, or third swing, maybe probably we can see first swing and second swing only. At any point, it gives a confirmation by breaking the previous high. That is my confirmation. I can add at that level. I can add at this level, right? So see, if I have taken entry at this level, my stop loss is just like 20 pips, that is 2 points. And if it gives me a confirmation, my stop loss is going to be like 50 points. I mean, sorry, 50 pips, that is 5 points. Obviously, my target will be like 9.12 points based on the previous highs and lows, right? Previous levels. At that time, you will see my SL is 50 pips, that is 5 points. Currently, my SL is just like 2 points. So I can take like here 2 to 3 trades with the same SL with the same quantity, because my SL is very small. But though I can take 2 to 3 trades, I'm not taking 2 to 3 trades. First thing. Second thing, I can go with the high quantity. That is what I'm not doing. That is not I'm doing. I'm going with the, like, see, I can take 2 to 3 trades with this stop loss, with this small stop loss, and I can take more quantity with this stop loss. So first thing, I can take more quantity. Second thing, I can take more, let's see, the stop loss is big, right? So I can take more quantity and my risk will be less. And the third thing, which is here, which is important, though I have these two options like small SL and big quantities, things that I can do in the market. The third thing I'm preferring, which is like I am going with the quantity which is less than the previous. Let's see, I'm going to take 10 lots, and now the stop loss is like only 50%, so I can take 20 lots. So I'm not doing this. Instead of that, my SL is still low. My SL is still low. Still, I'm taking 3 lots only. So you can see, guys, let's see, $100 for 10 lots. It's like a, okay, this is like going to be like big one, right? So okay, no matter, we'll just go with that only, right? So 10 lots, my stop loss is like around 5 points, so it's around like $5,000. I'm not taking this much risk, guys, just for calculation. This is the $5,000 SL for the 5 points. For how much points? For the 5 points, right? For 5 points, it's a $5,000 SL. Now I can take 20 lots and still the SL will be $5,000. But I'm just going with the 3 lots only, because I'm just going with the 30% quantity here, because I am not getting a good confirmation on higher time frame, that is on 5-minute, 15-minute time frame. I'm not getting confirmation on higher time frame, that's why I'm doing this. So 3 lots I have, and I have 2 point SL, that is making me $600 of risk. Are you getting my point? That is giving me only $600 risk. So I can take this $2,000 risk with full SL. I'm still preferring $600. So that means I'm saving almost $1,400. And out of this $1,400, I can take another 2 trades. So first trade I took, second trade I took, I can take one more trade, and I will be still losing only $2,000, not $5,000. So if it gives another confirmation, I still have $3,000 left to take a trade. So next trade, if it gives like another 2 stop losses, I will be stopping trading, And if it gives like confirmation after that, confirmation on higher time frame, I can still take, let's see how much it is, almost 60% quantity with the full stop loss, 60% quantity with the sorry, it's a 60% with the full stop loss with the 3k stop loss limit, and I will be losing only one trade stop loss. I will be losing only one trade stop loss. So this is what the calculation looks like, and this is like a very big explanation, very confusing explanation. You can go back, watch multiple times, and then you can understand this, right? Okay, I'm not sure. Maybe I need to play few things so that I will be seeing my video quality and audio quality. I will be on mute, but let's just wait for few more minutes because market is also saying you have to wait. Let's just switch back to the 15-minute time frame. There is 1 minute to close. There is a previous red hammer candle. Before that, there is a indecision candle. Before that, there is a green candle. Before that, there was an inverted hammer candle on bottom, not on the top. If this candle is on top, there is a high significance that market can go down. Exactly like here, it was a big inverted hammer. Exactly here, it was a big inverted hammer. So that's why market took almost how much time? Market almost took like 2 hours in the same consolidation zone, and after the breakout, it went up. Right? Fine. As of now, let me just play my audio and we'll meet in some time. Okay guys, so I guess now I will be only live streaming, and I will be not active, but I will keep this chart active for you guys, and I will be working on another things, right? I will be not looking at chart, right? I will be also on mute. Okay, it has not given us entry, right? So anyhow, I think we need to close, I guess, but let's just see, guys. See, we will just wait here. Let's just wait here for a few more minutes and we will be out from it. The reason why I'm telling you this, because I have seen like there was one green candle, and on 5-minute time frame you will notice that few things happening in the market, right? So few things were happening in the market. I think we don't need this. Just give me a better, like only 10%. Yeah, fine, right? See, the reason why I was telling that I'm going off the stream, because I have seen some good, see, this was a big green candle and it was confirmation of this thing, right? But when, only when this crosses, so that's why I have marked like this zone here, and this entry confirmation on 5-minute time frame, and then target and everything, right? So I thought I will be giving you this thing, and this will be a confirmation. Okay, so this will be a confirmation entry point and then target point. So I don't need to tell you or explain you everything, right? So you can watch your watch by your own, you can trade by your own. I guess 5 minutes, let's just see, and then you can trade accordingly, right? So I don't need to speak up for whole time, right? So let's just wait here, switch to the 15-minute time frame. In 5 minutes it has broken the previous candle low, which was the green candle. Also it will serve as a bottom wick for the candle, this candle, right? And we have only small hurdle here. See, I will tell you in short, like there are multiple confirmations on multiple time frame, that's why it is getting confused. And I believe that market is not trendy for a whole day, it will be for some time only, right? So you see, market was trendy, and here also market was trendy. So market is in consolidation right now. So we can't expect that market will go straight away up. It can do a consolidation, then rally, consolidation and rally. These things are possible in the market. So as of now, there are like first move, second move is done. So there is a consolidation. So might be after the consolidation, there can be a downfall. Or if this is a fake breakdown, let's see if this is the fake breakdown. You see, there was a support here, it took the support here. So buyers are actually, see, I will tell you guys in a very short time frame. How much time do I have? Almost 10-15 minutes I have, right? This was the support. So market given a breakdown, a fake breakdown here, right? A fake breakdown here. Then it went up, retested and went up. So it has given a confirmation here. So many players entered here and they took their SL. There is a possibility. This possibility is possible in the market, right? Everybody's SL was at this level and this candle broke the SL. Also there was a rejection, there was a consolidation, there was a kind of a pattern right here, and this has given a breakdown, and this is at the retest level. Also it has given again broken the low here. So there was a possibility that it can go down here. So first thing, it's a breakdown, it's a consolidation, and if we get a good buying signal, it can become a good trap here, because there are multiple players who are let's say who are there in this trade, which are trapped for sale or as well as for buys also, because we also trapped once, right, for the buys also, right? So if this becomes a trap, it will give a reversal, and the reversal is likely to be happen till this low, till this level around 3380 will be the max, and 33375 will be the minimum target, right? Though I'm saying minimum target, but you have to go with the risk reward ratio only. So there is a possibility that it can go till this level, and for this buying for this selling momentum from here till high, it will be a retrace either time or price correction of 0.5 to 0.618 level of Fibonacci, right? Now I will show you Fibonacci. See, this is the top here, This is the low here, and you will notice, let's just mark our Fibonacci here. See, this is the Fibonacci zone, right? Now I will be hiding this all our drawings and open up the eraser. I don't know how this eraser works, but I am not able to use it properly, right? Let's just delete this. Okay, we'll delete everything like this. It will be a very beneficial, right? Okay, now we have this zone. So that's why I'm telling you this can become the target if this becomes a fake breakdown. Are you getting my point? If this become fake breakdown, then this is possible, because for this momentum there is a retrace, and as per the previous explanation, this is the level where the fake breakdown came. So first selling can occur from here, which is like retest level here. If market has to go down, first selling level, and second selling level will be this one, which is like a Fibonacci level. From this level also market can go down. That means for this buying momentum there will be a retracement, and for this retracement there will be again a buying momentum, right? So there are two-way possibilities here. So if you book profits here, even if market comes here, retested, again goes up, you will be making money because you have some quantities left, right? And even if market go straight away down, you have booked some profit here. So even if hit your SL, you will be losing nothing, right? I hope this explanation is correct and gives you a good. Let me just bring it here. Yeah, fine. uh, let's just minimize this window. Fine. So this is what my actual plan is, right? And on 15-minute time frame, it is good. It is good as of now. It has given a fake breakdown. There is a hammer candle hitting everybody's SL, and let's just see hourly candle how it close. It closed green. That is another good sign. And for next candle also there is a bottom wick. That means if this candle gives a continuation, it can go till 3368 or 3372 or 3379, probably like somewhere around here, like in this is the zone, right? You see, this is the selling zone which has multiple wicks. So you can see a rally towards this and then downfall. Again, this looks like a trendy momentum. So here it can go it like this. It can do like this. There is a possibility because the trendy moment is already done. So this can happen. That's why I'm going with the small quantity. Like I entered with the small quantity because here I don't know whether it's a retracement, consolidation, or a trap or what, right? So I have to protect my capital. In order to protect my capital, I have to go with the less quantity. So it's back to the 30-minute. Looks good. 15-minute looks good. 5 minutes doesn't look good. See, now if this is a trendy momentum, this is a consolidation momentum, there is again a trendy momentum. Now I see a trendy momentum, I see a consolidation, and you see a continuation. We have entered with the trap setup, which is probably here, and as per the trap it has to give a good rally, which is not in the market. That means we are wrong. If you are like in the trade, you are at CTC, you can exit from the trade if you are with the only 100% quantity. If you are at 100% quantity, if you are with the 30% quantity, that in that way you will be not afraid of taking SL, because 30% quantity, and that to SL with like only 20 pips, 2 points, you can obviously take. Let's say you have like $100 account and you trade with like two quantities. You took one quantity you have like around $2 SL. You have $2 SL, right? $2 SL for $10 target. That is for 10% account size. You have 2%, 1:5 risk reward ratio. So you can hold up that. No issues. But keep a minimum of like $500,000 account, so that it will not emotionally impact. I mean, for $500 account, you can easily take 5 quantities, right? And 5 quantities, 2 rupees. That means you have around like $10 of risk. For this $10, you can make around like $50, which is like another 10% of your account, right? But here you will lose only $10, right? And this will not impact your psychology, mindset, and it will give you a good profit also. $50, it will be a good profit. But for $100, if you lose like if you take 2 quantity and if you lose like $4 or $5 with the spread or everything, that means it will emotionally impact you for sure. Once you hit like 1 SL, we already hit 2 SL, we are going to hit. So almost $10 you will lose, and $10, that means $10 means how much? $10 means 10%. 10% of your account. 10% is very very big amount, right? And for $500, you took 5 lots, 5 plus 5, 10 lots, and you hit like around like $15 SL. $15 SL, which is like how much? It's very less, right? So it will be like still you have $485 or $480 in your account. So if one target hits 10 points, let's see, 5 quantity 10 points, it's 50. So it will be another 50 addition. So it will be 530. So this number is good to see, and it will not emotionally impact you. But let's see, with the previous account, you got like your 5, I mean you got your 10 back. So you will be around like only 100 only. So you will back to only your original account, $100. You will not make good amount of money with that, right? Because 2 quantity, let's say like you will make a good money, but it will not emotionally impact you. Emotionally, what I'm saying, because you had like $100 account, it went to 90 and it went to again 100 and 205 only. So you made only $2, $5 in that account. $2, $5 for like 3 trades, which were like emotionally roller coaster. Market was in consolidation. Market was giving multiple signs. Your mindset was like very crazy at that time. There was like very much emotional pressure, physical pressure plus mental pressure on you, and trade has given you output of only $2 to $5. Here it has given $30. So $30, it means a good. $2 to $5, it will give you an emotional impact. Either you can go with like, if you are $100, make sure to purchase 2 to 3 account of funded firms, and then trade with like these setups, and at that time once you make money, you can get a payout. Here you will lose your account in just one go, in just like 1 week. Here you will have 2 to 3 chances, because you are getting 2 to 3 accounts. So in a month you will have 2 to 3 chances for multiple accounts. I'm not saying that you can go with the one account only. Don't go with the one account. Don't go with the 3 account at once. Go for one account. If this fails, buy another. If that fail, buy another. Every time try to improve your trades, improve your psychology, and after that you can trade. And even see, you have like invested you have like invested $100 for all this account. You failed to, and you 1 week you want like one account you win, right? One account you passed. For let's just say $1,000 or $5,000 account, you have like traded and you made 10%, that is $500 you made. They will give you like 90%, right? 90% they will give you, and it will be around $450. If you just make 10% for the month, I'm not saying for the day, for the month, and this $450 can buy you another 9 accounts if you fail, if you every time fail. So 9 times it will give you this much. Are you getting my point? So for 9 accounts, if you make 3 mistakes, that's fine. On 4 account, on number 4th account, if you make another 10%, here you will lose like for 3, you will lose like another $100, but you will make another $450. But the rules and restrictions are there, so you better go and follow the rules, go with that, and then only trade according to that, right? Don't over trade, don't take much risks. That is possible once you like test, once you oh, okay, I think I'm off now. Uh, Enough for the day, right? Okay, fine. I will be on mute. We'll keep this 5 minute and 50-minute chart. Before going, I just wanted to confirm you that the reason why I'm saying, because I have told you guys, I'm not adding, I'm adding like here only, and you will notice that the importance of confirmations. Once you get confirmation, market is likely to follow you. Everybody will get confirmation, everybody will be on trade, and there is a possibility that market can give you a rally. I'm saying rally, that doesn't mean this much rally, but there is possible that it will take this SL, and it will reach till this level. So you can expect after confirmation a rally of almost 6 points, which is around 1 is to 3 as per my initial risk reward ratio, and 10 points, which is almost 1 is to, oh sorry, previously it was 1 is to 3, and now it was like, it is like 1 is to 6 risk reward ratio only after the confirmation. Otherwise, see, once market doesn't gives confirmation, see, market is just consolidating from past half an hour. This is what the importance of psychology setup. And you know guys what market can do, right? And market does this for every time. And you people, what you see most of the times, you see, okay, good momentum, it's a breakdown and I will be entering, market will go into sideways, and there is a reason behind this, right? Now I think let's wrap up here. We'll keep this live stream on, and we'll meet you in some time. Okay, guys. So I see something cooking up in the market. I didn't expected it to happen. Just like I went on mute. See, this was the breakout candle. If another just one single candle closes above it, there are 90% chances that market is going to hit our target. But what happened? In the next candle, it gave a reversal and a retest. And the same thing can be seen on 5-minute time frame here, right? And now I have marked you. There is a downtrend in the market. Just give me a moment. Okay. So see, now there is no issue, right? I have placed my stop loss, right? Because I went here. See, now I told you, right? See, now the trend is down. uh the same setup which actually trade, just like mine, many people will trade. And also those who not trade, they have seen some out like breakout here. Now everybody is in the trade. Now there is a possibility that market will take everybody the sell. That's why I was there and I like placed my stop losses and then I came online, right? Just to give you an description about us, right? You see my stop loss order get hitted here, right? There's obviously these things, right? It gets a bit low. I mean, sure, let me just bring my mouse mobile to you. I don't know, my stop losses got hitted, but why it is not showing? Okay, I guess it has shown previously. Let me bring you my another phone so that you will notice these things, right? This, I don't know, here it doesn't gives you on mute, right? Anyway, you can see a big, I mean small bubble up or pop up messages there, you will notice that, right? And again we have hitted our second SL. And now we have like, let's just say this is like candle, again a big red candle on the support breakdown. There is another candle which is like, see, this is the SL hunting candle. See, if you notice, this is the SL hunting candle. See, here also you will see there is a wick coming up, but everybody's liquidity is got taken in this in this trade itself, right? Mine was hitted somewhere around here, maybe probably at this level once it tap or given breakdown. I don't know what logic works there, but you see, after that, this is the thing, it's giving me confuse. See, the same candle here. See, first candle we entered here, second candle we entered here just for the sweep. Now we are getting same signs here. But what I have told you guys, I have told you to wait patiently. Don't go with the 100% quantity. Now also, if we get a confirmation just like this or like this, I am likely to enter with another 30%, and combinedly all this trade will give me one entry, one SL, right? Now if this goes up and hits my target, whatever I have made loss in this, just with this single trade, it will cover me all the profits. Plus I will be in a small profit. The reason why I will be in small profit because of these two losses, right? And if any of like this entry works, I will be in good profit. If this entry works, I will be in good profit. Now I will just switch back to the 15-minute time frame here. You will notice that there is a rejection candle, there is a breakdown. Switch back to the hourly time frame and you see that hourly time frame also, it has created like it has broken the wick here. See, it has just like broken the bottom here. And now we just needed one small confirmation to enter with another 30% quantity. If we don't get confirmation like previous we got confirmation here, we got confirmation here. If we don't get any confirmation, we are not going to do anything. And see, I just came online just to show you this, because the moment where I seen this candle, not the breakout one, when I saw breakout one, I was happy. But when I saw the closing last minute, I was worried. I just go there, marked something like this, everybody just sell, went there, put my SL in the system, and I came here to just explain you, right? Now you see, this is the support, right? And this is a breakdown. and this is the retest. See, this is the retest here, right? This is the retest. It has to continue if it wants to go down, because there is a consolidation here, big consolidation here, right? So after the consolidation we expect a rally, right? But if we get a reversal, that means just like this trap, there is another trap. So we can try this SL, and here we'll get 1:2 risk reward ratio, and we'll book 50% quantity, and we'll hold 50% quantity till our next target, which is probably at these levels, right? So that's it for as of now. Now we needed a confirmation, and confirmation should be like change of structure, break of structure, change of character, just like this. Currently it is doing like this, so we needed it like this. Here you will notice after the SL hunting, breakdown, retest, and it has made a structure change, right? See, you see there is a red candle. Let me just zoom into the chart. I will tell you. I see here it gave a confirmation like this, right? Here it just sweep the liquidity. See, everybody's SL was at this level. This SL got hitted. Also, these people SL got hitted, retested, and it has just given a small confirmation, right? It was at my buying price only, so that's why I took early, because my SL I wanted to keep it low. Again, you see, if I don't take, I got a chance to re-enter twice, but I didn't re-enter. I entered with the small quantities only, with the initial quantity only, right? Cancel. Let's just see how much. Okay, we don't have, right? Now we are just waiting for this swing to cross. Even if make another swing here, it crosses, that means we can take entry here, because our SL will be very small with the 30% quantity. Initial target will be like this. I will mark entry for you guys. Let me delete the previous entries first, right? Delete this, come up, unhide everything. See, this is already gone. This I'm waiting, so I will extend a bit here, and my fresh entry will be like this. I don't know, I have to switch back to the 1 minute time frame in order to get, right? Probably around here I will get confirmation now, and it will be another 25 pips, that is 2.5 pips. And here I'm getting only 1 is to 1.5, guys. So if I have to target, I need a target somewhere around here, right? We'll wait at we'll do one thing. After the confirmation, if it gives a rejection, I mean a retracement, we'll enter at that level in order to just get our 1:2 risk reward ratio. Not enter, I will be not entering on the direct breakout, but I will be entering on the retest. See, it came down here, it will go up, it will give me a confirmation. A slight retracement will work for me, and the target will be like this one. So I will be entering at this level. This will be my SL. You see, this SL looks very small, and this target looks big. It's almost 1:3, right? But here, if I get confirmation and retest at this level, it will be 1:2, right? So this is how I'm currently planning to take a trade. Otherwise, guys, see, I told you before, like when, like I told you why to take 30% quantity, right? And one more thing, guys, one more thing. I have this on my which one? I have this on my XNES. Just give me a moment. Switch back to the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, see, I guess here we need to mark, right? Overly. See this. Now switch back to 30-minute time frame. Just refine it, right? Switch back to the 50-minute time frame. Just refine it. Okay. On a higher time frame, let's just see how much. We don't have swing, right? We have only swing at here, right? Actually, this was a good setup, guys. This was a good setup. Let me just bring my things here. See how much it is. 5.37, right? Switch back here. Switch back to the 1 minute time frame. I have, let's see, when I'm live streaming, I have to manage both the desktop, my entry window also, right? So that's why I'm not trade on live. And for this such kind of a sharp entries, we need a we need like good what we say, good speed to execute at right level, right? Because here it will give very sharp up moves. Even 1 second can cause you an increase in stop loss of 10 pips, 20 pips. Sometimes it causes 30 pips also in such areas, right? Because you see these momentums are like around like 20 pips. You see this week is almost like 20 pips, see, 25 pips, right? And now we have like 30-minute time frame. We have somewhere around here, right? So this is going to be the buying area, but if you notice our fib buying area, so it's like this only. This can be a trap and it has to go up from here only. But for the trap also there is a trap. And now if it goes up, and that means we market doesn't wants to make money. Market don't want us to make money, right? And we are getting just the confirmation here. See, after the breakdown there is a sharp reversal candle, so might be we need to wait for the retracement. We'll just see if we get a good confirmation on, like, we actually got a good confirmation. There are just 18 seconds to close the candle, but we needed a stop. Now see, the stop loss is kind of a big, right? Let's just say we can keep and reduce our stop loss. Let me try somewhere around this level. 1:2 is there, right? So let's make it here only, probably here. 1 is fine, right? 1:2 looks fine, right? Just 5-minute candle was very good. In my broker terminal, if I get a rejection, I'm probably going to add few quantities here, right? Because this is a good confirmation, guys. This is a good confirmation. 5-minute hammer candle is a good confirmation, right? I'm just worried about that. Don't take much quantity, right? Just go with the small quantities only. Click on this and we'll be waiting, right? Okay, fine. Okay, giving us a rejection. Just give me a moment. Small. Okay, it has given just small retracement, right? It has to give bottom wick, right? See, every candle has a top wick and bottom wick, right? Okay, fine. Every candle has a top wick and bottom wick. And the bottom wick I'm interested, it will tap my zone probably at here and then it will shoot up. So this bottom wick I'm currently waiting for, right? Let's just switch me to the 5-minute time frame and let's just mark me a pending entry so that I will get an entry at 59, right? Pending entry at 59. Buy, right? Fine. That's what I put here. And it's probably almost 6 pips away from the entry, right? So fine. I guess market is like heavy. Okay, it has given another confirmation, guys. See, we'll go here in 1-minute time frame. See, now this swing is also okay. We'll do one thing. We'll do it like this way, guys. See, Fibonacci. Where is my Fibonacci? I don't know. We'll take it from here. So for this momentum, there is a 0.5 zone and it is straight away going upside, right? So it is a straight away going upside. That means nothing is working for us, right? As of now. Delete everything. Okay, now you got information, right? Once I unlock my phone, it like showed me again. Fine, open my broker terminal, put on the password. Let's just see how this going. As of now, it's in red only. $90 in red. So you can calculate two stop losses, $90 in red. If you want to show order book, I can show you my order book. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, fine. Let's just switch to the another account and see whatever happening here. Here we have 75. So 75 and 90, that's probably almost how much it is. Oh, sorry, it was yesterday. Sorry. $75 I lost in this today. Two trades. Almost you can consider 30 or $35 because I added that retracement sometime, right? I don't know where I added it, but it was around $30 exported, $75 lost, including brokerage spread and everything, right? So $75 is like a good amount to me, right? Fine, we'll just go with this. I guess see guys, this is what I am not expecting, man. I have not expected this one. Straight away going and hitting our 1 is to how much? 1 is to 1.71 target. This is what not expected, right? I guess it will not give us entry, guys. Ignore this. Yes, not ignore this, but just wait, guys. See. Anyway, just see. After the 15-minute breakdown, we are not expecting the thing here, right? See, 36 seconds to go. After the breakdown candle, sharp red candle, there is a reversal. Let's just see hourly candle. It's going to close in next 15 minutes. See, now the hourly candle also looks good, right? So looks like everybody's trapped here, but we have to wait here, right? We'll just wait here. Next candle is like a rejection candle and also a retest candle. And if I see the Fibonacci we mark, it was showing, okay, it already went up, right? So should give us like this. What do you think, guys? What do you think of this? Just give me a moment to open my broker again. And this is going to be like my last one entry for today for the scalping. And after this, I'm not going to trade for such bad trades, right? I mean, though I'm taking with 30% quantity only, but I'm not going to take it with like, I'm not going to trade this because I thought this is the breakdown trap by looking at this hammer candle. Now market given another candle with again a hammer candle. So market is playing with us, right? Market is playing. See, this is a green candle. This was a red candle, but now this is a green candle, right? So I think market is playing with us and I don't want to get played with the market. I want to trade the market, right? So we'll wait here. There is very less chances that it will give us an opportunity in this trade, right? Hide everything. 15-minute candle close again. A kind of a but good candle, guys. It came in the zone only, right? And it has bottom week also. Then there is a possibility that it can go up, right? We'll just wait here. I actually wanted to trade on this, guys. See, once you are online at around 3 and 3 to 9. See, 3 to 9, where it is here, this zone. 3 to 9 is actually a good zone. There is a good volatile momentum. There are traps in the market, and that gives us a good setup to trade. See, in the morning itself, if you switch back to the 1 minute or 5 minute time frame, you see rally in the market, and you see first rally, second rally. It was a big rally. Here it trapped. For this trap, let's just see mark Fibonacci. You will notice that the setups were as simple as that to trade. Where is that? See, these are the very simple setups, guys. These are the very simple setups that forms in the market with our structure. See, this was the selling area. I mean, this was the selling area, right? This was the selling area, fifth selling area. And there was like previous two swings here. See, these two swings here, everybody the sell got hit. Downfall, retracement, confirmation, and downfall. And based on this, the same setup. See, this is the breakout trap. The same setup I will explain you here also. Let's just delete this. Reset our chart. See, the same setup here. Breakout trap, it will take everybody's SL. It did take the SL. So see if you can take up a trade somewhere around here or here, probably actually exactly here it is on like 23 pips, and here it has given almost 1:2. That is what we needed, right? And now currently you will be like around, okay, what is this? See, same thing happening here, right? The trap which we seen here, the trap which we have seen here for the buys, the same trap is here for the sales. It's a breakdown retest, came down here, bullish candle retrace, and now see we were waiting for, see the retest also, you see how much precise it was. It has not created like there is a strong buying in the market, right? See, the retest breakout was this, and retraces this and then going upside. Are you getting my point? This is the sharp momentum in the guys. And I told you, once it crosses this, everybody's, though these weak players SL will get hit, and now that SLs are getting hit here. So if you like just blindly enter here, we would have hit our 1:2. But as previously we have like 2 times SL given in the market, we didn't enter, right? Just keep this, hide. See, you see the momentum of getting SL hitted. Market really wants to play with us. On hourly time frame, you will notice that it will create such a big candle on hourly time frame. It will also broke the previous candle high. But let's just see on 5-minute time frame if we get a see. Now it will tell you I'm still online now, so we'll tell you one or more things, guys, right? One or more things I will tell you. Now we got a confirmation, right? See here, once for this breakdown, we were waiting for shift of structure. We got a shift of structure. Candle close, we got a confirmation. Retracement, buying zone, stop loss, target 1, target 2. This is target 2, target 3. And hide everything. See, now the stop loss is big, guys. See, 5-point stop loss. And here you will get almost how much? 1:2. I guess this one is right. 1:2, 1:3, and 1:, probably 4.5 or something. I hope you love this setup, right? And this is the actual setup we actually trade. And hide everything. I mean, hide everything. Sorry, you need to delete this one, right? So delete this one. Let's just switch back to the 15. See, guys, are you getting my point? See the momentum after hitting every. This is what expected. It has hit with my stop losses. I don't know how much it has. Let me just how to do it full screen. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 orders were there. I mean, out of okay, sorry, not 11. It was yesterday's also. So okay, it was only one order, guys. I took with only one. I mean, I have not placed multiple quantities. I just only put one one quantity only, right? Fine. So currently that is fine. Let's just see for okay, it was like this one. Okay. Let me just see this on my mobile. On broker terminal, it's not good. It's yesterday's for 90. And I was trading in this account today. I had like $75 SL here, right? For the buys. All for the guys. All for the buys. I guess on 15-minute time frame, I think it should not do it like this way, guys, right? If it gives like this, now let's just say first move, second move, but we can't consider this as we can consider first move, second move, and third move, right? Retracement. Oh my goodness, oh goodness. I think like if you see, guys, I like booked profit here and profit here for the remaining quantity, right? As I told you, 47 or 49 points I booked, right? If I hold that with the trailing SL, it might get hit. Okay, anyways, fine. Okay, I guess it's not going to give, it will not give us entry, I guess, but let's just wait here. Hourly time frame. Okay, oh my goodness, see. We were just trying to take entry at previous candle on the sweep, but it has created a sweep here. And It has okay, on 30-minute time frame. Actually, our trade setup was right. We were right, but the thing happened here. Market don't want us to trade. Market don't wanted us to trade from that to make a good profit. Because if you see 5 into this, it will be around like another $30 profit running in the market, right? Not 30, guys. Let me see. Sorry. 30 dollars is fine, right? 20 $30 is fine. And let's just see, this is a 5-minute time frame. There are, let's just see if we get volume candles here. No, right? Usually I prefer volume candles only in my broker terminal, right? So I don't have this proper regular candles. I use only volume candles. Now you will notice that market hit this SLC. This was the SL hunting, right? Are you getting my point? You can switch back to the 1-minute time frame. You see SL hunting here. See, first, second, third, and now you are getting a profit booking here. Because you see those who like scalpers, they would have entered at here only, right? Here only, and we had like two SL hunting, so that's why I have not given a direct entry. You see, guys, here I directly entered. So if I don't take entry here, I would have entered here directly. But as it is going to be my third entry, so that's why I'm waiting for the confirmation, right? And if you see, if we directly entered here, we would have make another 9 points, 90 pips in the market. I would have booked like full profit here at this level. Let's see, almost like we have 1:4 achieved, right? So probably I would have booked 4. Let's say 5 lots I take, 5 quantities, not lots. Almost $10 stop loss and $20 I would have made in this trade. Anyways, we'll just wait here. I guess I will be see where's the up more retrace, and there is again, actually it's a good momentum, right? So we can't predict that whether it will come at retest level or it will directly go up, right? So better wait here. 15-minute time frame. Let's just see here. Still 3 minutes to close, and there is a wick also in 5-minute time frame, but that is not my concern as far as it has broken the swing. This swing is now broken. This also broken. So once it gives me a confirmation, I'm good to go upside, right? Okay, fine as of now, good. एक second. I had okay. I think that's why I'm wondering about. I had my buy at 59,3359. I had my pending order here. I thought why it not got executed. Actually, it was we placed only after here, right? Right. We placed when market was at this level, right? It came down here, but only 60 it came. I had my order like somewhere around here. Okay, let's just wait here. Cancel that order because I have not put the stop loss for that, right? So I will be doing like this. Let's just wait here. I will be doing my analysis. I hope it's clear to you, right? So I misses few these things, guys, in the market, right? See, it's support. Sorry, I missed this, guys. Support breakdown, fake breakdown. A retest will be at this level only, right? So if we keep this zone as an entry zone, stop loss as a this one, we'd have got 1:2 already, right? Anyhow, fine. Ignore, guys, ignore. We made a mistake, a small mistake. Mm. Fine, fine, fine. We have got entry somewhere around here with the SL of 30. Oh, okay, man. What is this happening? Okay, 1 hour to close. Candle close. 1 hour candle close. Okay, it has a rejection. That means it's going to be an indecision candle. Okay, avoid the trade, guys. Avoid the trade as of now. Because see, the reversal already done in the market. See, I will tell you. Downfall, retrace, downfall, retrace, downfall, retrace. It was a consolidation. Let's see, this is a trap, right? But there can be a trap also from this side also. Fake breakout. See, fake breakout and it will continue to fall like this. Right? So instead of FOMO, what you can do if you want, like if you think this is a genuine breakout, mark top to bottom Fibonacci. You will get a zone somewhere around here. Enter it here. Place stop loss somewhere around here. There is no need to keep the SL at bottom. Place SL somewhere around, here. Entry here. Trade for this high, then this high, and then probably this high, because here you will book 70% quantity, right? And it will be around 1 is to 3 also. So here you will book, then there is no need to book partial profit at this level. You can book directly at this level, right? So if this works, that totally fine. But if this is a buyer's trap, it will continue to fall, because see, for this consolidation, I will delete everything. See, for this support, it's already broken. It has given a consolidation, but there was no momentum in the selling, so market went up to invite buyers, invited buyers. This is the proper retest, and if this proper retest works, it can go down. First it will take support at here, it will give reversal, and then it will fall down like this. So these things are possible because the trend is kind of a negative, right? And the reason why I'm saying this is also possible, because let's just see actually this is my buying zone as of now, right? You see, this is as a buying zone, this is as a buying zone. So actually I guess it tapped, right? But I'm not sure whether it's completely okay, this is exact, right? See, this is what exact buying zone is, right? Also here also it has created a trap and then went up. Here it has like support created a trap and then going upside. And for this upside you will see it has like broken the two swings, right? So first swing is already broken, second swing is probably at high, so we can trade for these targets for upside only, right? But here we didn't got entry, right? So we will try at this level because this looks good, this looks good, right? So we'll see a price action at this level. If it creates a trap here, I'm going to enter, and then we'll see what market can give us, right? So the trap will look like this. Let's assume these are the two levels. This is the 50% level, right? Market will come down here, it will consolidate, and this structure, we need structure like this. We need a trap like this here, right? Then we can try. If it directly goes down, as discussed, we are not interested. If it gives us a trap, then and then only we are interested. Now let's switch back to the 1 minute time frame. Double top, taking rejection. But if you see, if market is heavy bullish, it will take support from this only. So it has created a swing here. It will give a breakdown and then it will reverse. If market is heavy bullish, I mean, there is no need to create a trap here. It will just consolidate and then straight away go up. That is also possible. just like this, it came down here, it just consolidated, and without creating any trap it went down. Again it has created, again went down, but here it has created a trap, right? And then came down here. Are you getting my point? So see, direct fall, a direct fall, a trap, and fall. So these things are possible. So either it will go directly up, or it will create a trap and then go up, or it will give a price correction till this level and then go up. There are three possibilities. And initially you can try three, but with the 30% quantity, so that even if you get one trade right, you will cover two losses, right? You will cover two loss, and one keep the remaining quantity will keep open target, and it will give you a profit, right? Okay, fine. Oh, sorry, I just clicked, I just press my mic. Okay, 5 minute rejection candle. Doesn't seems to be good one, but it's actually a good candle to create a trap. It will go down and then create a bottom wick, and this is called as the trap, right? Wait there, wait. Okay. I miss few things today. Okay, trap doesn't looks good, man. Now looks a good trap. Now if this candle reverses, that means it's a good. See, now if this candle reverses, that's called as a trap. Wait there, there is no confirmation. We have both time frames here on, right? But I think you will notice, see, on 5 minute time frame, it's a trap, guys. See, reversal, then came down in just straight away 1 minute. It has created a wick from bottom and then going upside. If this candle closes green, goes up and up and up, that means this is a trap. For a heavy bullish momentum, this traps actually works. Most of the times it works, but you have to wait for the confirmation. As I told you, if this candle closes green, then this is a good trap, right? Now you see it has just reversed, 4 seconds remaining, 3, 2, 1, and a rejection candle, no confirmation candle. You need strong buys momentum for confirmation. See, you can take this as a confirmation, but for how many times? You have to wait for the proper setups, right? Okay, I'm getting a headache, man. I don't know why. Just need to wait for a few more. See, the low is getting broken. So the importance of very green candle or hammer candle is very necessary. There is a high importance to that. See, this hammer candle I took importance. This engulfing candle I took importance. This candle, like, it has given me like 99% confirmation. So that's why I like placed one buy order here also, right? At 59, somewhere around here. But it didn't triggered my entry, right? And this trap also looks good. Let me try with only one quantity. Only one quantity, right? I'm not going with the 30% quantity. I'm going with the 1% quantity. That 1% is like nothing. It hit SL, that's totally fine. Come here. I will place order once the high get crossed, right? You see, I have not moved my mouse from this screen, right? So that means if my mouse moves from this screen to another screen, that means I'm going to take entry, right? So let me open my broker terminal and I have like my orders ready. Once you find, like once you see, I move mouse, click on double click or something, then you will notice that I'm going to execute my entries, right? I have my eye on this 5 minute candle also. I need a rejection candle here. There is 1 minute left. There is no rejection. That means I still have to wait here, right? The reason why I wanted to go up on this, just give me a moment, huh? The reason why I wanted to go up on this because it has created a green candle. But if you notice, the high is not crossed, right? So I was looking like a price action double top, breakdown, retest, and going down. Now this candle giving us rejection. Looks good as of now. Now let's do one thing. For our understanding, we have not marked our entry, right? See, 5 minute we have this buying zone, right? And we need to find a trap here, right? Are you getting my point? So if we get a trap here, we are going to place a buy order here, right? Okay, straight away going down, you will notice this 5 minute time frame, right? So this is the buying zone actually. This 5 minute candle looks good, and this looks like a reversal, total reversal, right? On hourly time frame, this is a retest. See, on hourly time frame, this is a retracement, and then it can go up. Let's just see 4 hour time frame. Okay, it's an indecision candle, that's totally fine. Hourly candle looks good. Retracement 30 minutes, support is at 3359. 15 minute previous candle low has been swiped, that is good sign. 5 minute rejection, that is a good sign. 1 minute, switch back to the 1 minute time frame, unhide everything. Now we have a tap also for the previous support, right? You see, we have tap for the previous support as well, right? And we need a confirmation right now, right? I think we can delete this because this has not worked as of now. We'll keep our chart clean, right? So that I will be able to show you something right here. So this was our buying zone as of now. We'll modify this based on the low, right? You see, this is the buying zone, right? See, this is the buying zone. And now see guys, I'm not going for short at this level because my stop loss is going to be like this much big. So I'm not interested in short. I'm interested in only buy. Keeping my SL, let's just see. Okay, this entry, sorry, I made a mistake here. See, will be taking trade somewhere like this. And this is going to be like big trade and final trade of the day, right? And target would be, let's move to the higher time frame. See, this is going to be my targets and stop losses. We just need a confirmation, guys, right? And final target should be probably somewhere around here, right? Let me see. Okay, there is a news, right, in coming 2 minutes. I don't know what is the news, but period of high margin requirement showing on my broker terminal, right? I have around this, fine. Okay, so it tapped the buying zone, if you see, if you remember it correctly. Oh, sorry, I need to be like very quick, guys, because I have ultra wide. I have to like move my mouse very much big here, right? Sorry, I just modified. See, you will notice this is okay. What is this happening? See, you got a confirmation. You got a confirmation, right? You have a support here. It tapped previous liquidity swing. This is the buying zone. This was a breakdown candle and confirmation. Let me just come to my broker time. Right? If it gives a small retracement, I'm going to add few quantities here. Only few quantities, right? Only few quantities. Okay. You have seen my clicks, right? I believe you are able to hear my click sound, right? 2 times I clicked, that means 2 quantities I have added. We'll be waiting for another and here, see guys, I'm telling you, I'm going with the 100% quantity. I mean, my target is to take 100% quantities. The reason why, because this is on a higher time frame and there is a confirmation. So this is going to be like my first entry for the day with the good amount of, I mean, first entry for big profits, guys. This is what actually we trade, right? Only after confirmation. Previously, we were just doing scalping with the 30% quantity with the small SL. But for this trade, there is a big SL and are there are big targets for this. Maybe probably I can take, let's just see, hide this. Okay, we don't need to hide this one, right? See, this is on 30 minute. Let's just switch back to the 15-minute time frame. See, on 15-minute time frame, this trade is going to look like this. See, almost 15 points, and if it gives us good sign, it can reach to the 30 points as well, right? Fine. We'll go with the 2%. That means I have less than 50%, but probably 40% quantities I have already entered because I was getting at good confirmation. So 40% I entered with, and I'm waiting for another. See guys, this 5-minute candle was totally red and now it has converted into a bullish candle kind of a thing. See, also bullish candle. See, you see guys, retest, 5-minute candle confirmation, bullish candle structures and everything. This is back to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, it closed indecision candle, right? It will again come down a bit because 15-minute candle also needs a wick from bottom, right? So it will come slightly down. There is a possibility and then it will go down, right? But here if you see, now this is going to play a very important role. This week is going to play a very important role and we have a stop loss here. We'll trade at least first target, second target, third target. Here 70-80% quantity will be out and 100% we can keep trading just like the previous one, right? And which one was the previous one? Just like this one. See, I had a position at this level and I booked somewhere around here. If you notice how much points I booked, somewhere around 47-49 points I booked. So here also we'll be targeting at least this swing, guys, almost 30 points. So if I have to take 30 points, probably at the high I will be taking this trade, right? Oh sorry, it is on this tool, right? Fine. Now don't, okay, someone texted me on Instagram. Fine, we don't have Instagram for this trade, guys. I mean for this one account, but I do have a Instagram. Let me just refresh this. Just give me a moment. Fine. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, is it creating bottom week or top week? If this candle go like here, if this goes up and takes rejection, that means there is a, okay, this is a 15-minute already passed, right? Just give me a moment. On hourly time frame we need to check, right? Okay, on 15-minute it has top and bottom both wicks, but bottom wicks makes sense because there are multiple bottom wicks, right? And market is in bullish trend also, it has retested also. So if the high get crossed here, we can expect at least this candle, right? And this is of almost 15 points, and if you consider the rally will be around like 37 points in 2 steps and 20 points in 1 step. So if you see mark from the bottom, so 10 points already done, so we can expect rally till 3378 of 20 points, right? Let's just wait here. But here the reason why I'm saying, because it is going upside in the very first 5 minutes, right? So as per the market psychology, see, market has downfall, market is going for, see, this is the downfall, market is going for retest and it can come down, right? These are the cycle. But here see, now we have a big SL, we have a, see, structure change, we are at retest, so there is a possibility that, and now see, previously we were available, we were like very quick to our stop losses. Now there is no need to be very quick stop losses. You can place your stop loss in the system and market will give you a good reward, because this is on a confirmation. See, this is a confirmation. Actually you are seeing in the 15-minute time frame, still you have like big breakout and big support, big hammer candle. Like here also you have confirmation, but if you consider 5-minute time frame, you will notice there is a sharp momentum, sharp retracement, that is a price correction. There is a sharp reversal also possible, and we have a swing breakout, we have a swing breakout, the candle close above, we have a previous support zone which has given a fake breakdown, there is a hammer candle at the bottom. There was also one time rejection. Here also we had a fake breakdown, but here we don't had a this confirmation we don't have. See, we had a breakdown, but we don't had a like a swing breakout. See, here we have a breakdown and swing breakout. See, it's a BOS, break of structure, and here it's a change of character here, right? So that's why I'm saying you, right? Now you will thank me. We'll just unhide this. Sorry. We'll just switch back to the 15-minute time frame. It is coming at the closing level. Closing level can play an important role of resistance, and we will modify our entry here. How much points did we got till now? 33 points. Let me just see in my broker. 2.37 showing. I think it came down now. Slightly came down, right? It has given 2.9 points as of now. Our stop loss is like 50, 45, 50 points. 45 pips or 50 points. We'll just wait. No issues. Okay, going good as of now. I guess let me see my broker terminal. It's giving me 45, 40 pips around 40 pips. 40 points. That is 1 is to 1 already hit it, guys, right? So 1 is to 1 probably done. And I'm a bit nervous because I'm only with like 40% quantity. It has not given me a chance to enter. But remember, guys, though I am at 40% quantity, that are still greater than my previous 30% quantities, right? So even if this gives me a 10 points, I will be covering all the other two losses. I have already explained the logic in the previous hour, I can say, because we are streaming for so much time, right? And let's just wait here. We see a rejection. Switch back to the 5-minute time frame. Might be the retest level because it has a good rejection from this level, right? See. Okay, now I think I can play a scalp here. I'm not going to tell you the scalp here, guys, because these are the risky trades, right? So that needs a very quick decision making powers, and depends on your account size also, right? So I have a second account for scalping, so that's why I was worried, right? I didn't took the entry today, and why it's showing yesterday's loss, because yesterday I had some scalps which way I have like shorted, I guess. I'm not sure shorted or buy, but that took my SL, right? And I booked loss there, right? Anyway, it's fine. Now my stop loss is going to be like how much? 4 into this, fine. Almost we had a stop loss of $30 size. As of now, $30 is my stop loss. I will be targeting at least $100 from this trade. If I see $100 in my account, I'm going to book how much? 50% of that. And then if I see 120, I'm going to book another 25%. And if I see $150, maybe we can not say, I cannot say it like publicly, $20 somewhere around here on that account. So my entry is somewhere around here, and if I get like 30, see, in order to get this $100, I needed like how much? So $30 is my stop loss, right? So it will be 1:3 if I get, sorry, more than 1:3, right? Will break down this. Who is going to break down? It's unrealistic, guys. I need to see, I need to book. Yeah, exactly. I had to keep my $30 also, right, in place. Let's see, I have an account balance of $30, and I have put everything on risk. So $30 I have put on risk, and it's my account size, and I wanted to get 1:2, right? So I get like $60, because $30 is my stop loss. So I get $60 as a reward, 1:2. And out of that $60, it will make a total balance of 90. So we'll do one thing, we'll wait for $100, right? And once we enter for $100, let's just say $100 we were going to book like $70, right? Sorry, so $70 we are going to, we are having a running profit of, let's say, $70. We are going to book 50%, that is 35 we are going to book. So out of that 35, 35 will be running, and there are some positions that will be running, right? So 70 we are going to book. Let me bring up my calculator here. Yeah, so it will be around 17.5, somewhere around here I'm going to book, right? Anyhow, wait here. Let's just see where is our 1:2 coming. Yeah, 9 only. Okay, yeah, it is coming at, sorry, I did some mistake, guys. Let me bring up again calculator. So I had like yeah, exactly. I'm not sure why I'm getting this. Okay, just give me a moment, guys. I need to take a break, and the retracement I will show you. Sorry. Yeah, this will look fine for my scalper, but I'm not going to give you confirmation or the trade here, right? Just follow this trade, and we'll meet in some time, maybe in 30 seconds or in 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. Oh, let's just see how much time we are streaming from. Like almost 2 hour 20 minutes, right? Fine, fine, fine. It's and still there are wow. Okay, just consolidating, not giving me a price correction entry, so I will be avoiding this trade. See, this time don't need it. See, when market is trendy, we need a retracement, quick retrace. Oh, sorry, guys. Is my mic on? Did I? Okay, it's on, right? Fine. So see, if market is trendy, I want to do some scalping. I need a sharp reversal, and then I can book good profit. So if this is a trendy momentum, it has give some good rejection, and then it will go down, go up, right? But here, if it create a consolidation, I might think it like this way, and then it can go up, right? So on 1 minute time frame, it will look like this, but on higher time frame, it will look like this. See, on a higher time frame, it will look like this. It will makes a good promising structure, right? You see, I guess it's making a diamond pattern. I don't know. Diamond setup something is like this, right? This one is our stream, okay, right? We need. Where is the diamond setup? D diamond setup. Right. Yeah, exactly right. See? Okay, this is FX open UK. Let's open this. Fine. See, this is the diamond setup. This is a bullish. Okay, and this is a bearish. Okay, if it forms on bottom, it will be bullish. If it forms on top, it is a bearish. Where it is forming? It is forming at might be bottom only, right? So I guess if this becomes like this, and see where it is, just like this, right? So it will narrow the range and then it will give a breakout. Okay, this is a broker, I guess. I'm not sure. This is a broker, right? The ultra fast execution. Okay, fine, fine. See, okay, he has given some example as well, right? So you breakout retest, breakout retest. Okay, now it's a diamond head and shoulder pattern. Now delete this, right? I think you know, right? Now let's come to our chart and now see. Okay, it's creating a diamond pattern. Now I will tell you the importance of the scalping, guys. So back to the 1 minute time frame. See, I told you, na, if market is trendy, it has to give sharp momentum. See, sharp momentum I needed, and when as soon as it started consolidating, I was worried that the momentum is here is not true. If there are buyers present in the market, it should go up directly. Same like this. See, there was just a small rejection here and then went up. The buying momentum and buying momentum, right? We have not seen like this here. Actually, we have to mark this. We would have entered somewhere around here with this SL, and we would have captured this as a scalp. But later we saw when market was at this level, then at the time we saw that, right? Anyway, fine, nothing looks good as of now, but let's just see if market gives us an entry to enter. Okay, it has broken the previous candle low, but candles are like very pause candles. There is no momentum in it, right? And switch back to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, 15-minute candle, there are 11 minutes remaining, and let's just see our risk reward ratio whether it is giving us good entry or not, right? Come to the broker terminal. Okay, giving us is at a Fibonacci retracement and took the SL. There is a bullish candle. Let me just wait for this candle close, right? So we'll wait for this candle close, and again, yeah, this is not giving me a proper entry, right? Because it is giving a same entry. I entered somewhere around here, and okay, not candle close green, wait for here. So this is very important, guys. See, if this hammer candle, I will be 100% sure, but it's now a doji candle, indecision candle. Still, it's a good sign, but not I'm not interested here to add my another 40% quantity, right? Now coming down, you see, are you getting my point? This is the Fibonacci from top, sorry, bottom to top. This is the Fib buying area. Sorry, I deleted the area. I need to delete this, right? And you see this Fib buying area. As of now, I'm in loss of 1.6 points. Anyhow, if I get a good sign here, okay, let's just see if we get a good sign here, how we can get a good sign here, right? I hide everything. We have a support here, kind of a support here, and there is a possibility of this also, right? I cannot go blindly add 40% quantities here. I needed some strong candles like this. So here, once I saw this reversal, then I added, right? So I need to see something like here. At least a small confirmation will work for me, right? But if it gives a trending momentum, that means there is probably a trap here also as well, right? Because see, we have discussed the trap, right? And for the trap also, see, let's see, this is the trap for bias invited, downfall retrace. Here sellers invited, here buyers invited. The major trend currently for the day is going down, and that's why it can go down, right? There is a possibility. I guess I'm getting good sign here. Let's come up here. There is 1 minute to close. Okay, I added one quantity here, not two quantities here, but just one quantity here, right? Previously I did two quantities, I added one quantities. That means I'm going with, let's just say, 60% as of now. It was previously, see, 20% quantities I'm going to add at a periodic level, right? So I wanted some confirmation. I got good candles, but it is not like tap this zone, right? So I'm waited here. I am waiting here, right? And on 5 minute time frame, okay, previous candle close, it is at retest. Okay, I probably made a mistake by adding one quantity here, right? I have to wait for at least 5 minute candle to close, right? Anyway, fine, I'm up in this trade with the 60% quantity, and stop loss is going to be like the low, obviously, right? Is this posted on Facebook? Fine. See, these are the small things that will come to play. Studio, create AI application faster. Okay, fine. They get this. Okay, fine. See, the reason why I'm saying, because previously it was a good sign. Now the candle closed below, right? So if I wait for 5 minute candle, any candle like this, which has bottom wick, just like this previous one, that will work for me. So instead of adding at top here, I would have entered and added somewhere around here only, right? Now, okay, yeah, that's the thing I'm waiting for. Let's just wait time frame. Okay, fine. Tapping the zone, tapping the buying zone, giving us good sign. Just wait for candle close, guys, right? Wait for candle close, wait for candle close. Still I have to add more lots, two more lots I have the capacity to add. Two more lots I wanted to add. Let's just see, giving us good sign on 1 minute time frame. You'll clearly notice, see, this hammer candle we were looking for, but we needed some buying, right? Okay, high closing, high crossing, but there is no bottom wick to the candle. Let's just wait for bottom wick. So if this candle comes down, if this candle comes down and then goes up and creates a hammer candle like this, I will be interested. And as well as it has to give me green sign as well, right? So currently it's just like SL hunting of this. So those who like, just for my people, like just for the peoples who are like me, for the green candle, they have bought it, right? So their SL is going to be like here, SL got hitted, and someone SLs are present at here, right? So we need a confirmation, some confirmation. See, market is going down, down, down. It has created a swing, and here we entered. Are you getting my point? See, market is going down. created a swing. Here we entered as soon as the high crossed, and then if you notice, it has given a breakdown and now it's going down. That means we are wrong in this trade. So that's why I told you I have to wait for at least 5-minute candle close, right? And that was my mistake. I totally admitted once I added, like, once I seen the next candle reversal, right? And here I have seen a good rejection candle here, and I'm waiting for the candle to be closed green with the rejection from bottom, right? Here I entered with the rejection from bottom, a green candle close. Here also I'm doing the same thing, right? But I don't know whether market will take this SL or not, right? Let's just switch back to the 15-minute time frame. See, market going down on hourly time frame. It's like very much down. Probably we might hit our SL as well, right? So have like around, okay, fine. 15-minute, 5-minute still to close. Previous candle's low has been broken. This low has been broken. 5-minute candle. Okay, candle closing red with a rejection. This can be a sweep. This can work as a sweep, right? So let's just wait here. Okay, and see, 5-minute candle, it's a bottom week, right? First, what is this? Okay, Ola. I thought my stop loss got hitted or what, because it created a sound just like that, right? Anyhow, I have placed my stop loss for previous two lots, not for the current two lots. I'm still waiting. I don't know why. Okay. See, there is a green candle, but now it's just like doji candle, right? We don't have a good confirmation on this. Okay, fine. Okay, good confirmation. Let me just wait here. Okay, coming down again. Fine. Close down. See, it was giving us good sign, right? But in the last 5 seconds, it came down and closed. That's probably a bad idea, right? Bad trade. Okay, going down, not giving us confirmations. Yeah, good. As of now, can add it here. 5 minute. It has to give us already so much down, right? So very less. And also it is creating a hammer candle on close on. Oh, creating hammer candle. See that hammer candle now turned into red candle. Last 5 seconds remaining and it's closing down red, right? Let's just wait here. If it gives us a reversal, I probably need to close my setup. I mean, I need to probably close my trade, right? If you ignore, you will see right here. So probably going to hit, and that's it, guys. It has hitted. It has hitted our SL, guys. It has hitted my SL in the broker. Fine, guys. That's it for today as of now. SLs to probably in the scalping. You see, guys, right? You see stop loss hunting. That's what the stop loss hunting looks like, right? And so far as of now, I have lost almost $100 probably. More than $100 I lost today. See, now I know mark in minute time frame. You will see tap tower zone. It can give us opportunities, but I am already out from the market. I don't want to fight against the market, right? The reason why I'm saying this, because here also I trapped, here also I tapped, and here also I trapped. I trapped like one time, two time, three time. There is a possibility that market will trap everyone, right? So okay, it's giving us now signals. See, it's giving us now the orders, pending orders or stop losses orders here, right? But anyhow, it was closed earlier only. I don't know why it gives us a signal very late. Probably alerts also I get very late, right? So I have to watch on the screen if price is at my level, right? Okay, fine. So now I will tell you. Yeah. So first thing, first time my SL got hitted. Second time my SL got hitted. third time we got a confirmation, we got a change of character, break of structure. We entered at a retest, it was a good retest, but still it failed. Still it failed. That means there are traps going in the market, and for every buy there is a trap, because the current day trend is negative as of now. We can clearly see on the chart itself. See, it's a negative trend, right? And here we had a very good confirmation. Let's just see, this was a breakout of the trend line. This was the fake breakdown. There was a good swing, there was a change of character, there was a retest, and there was a small, actually this is not a small stop loss, a 4 or 5 point stop loss is a big stop loss, but it was good as per my targets, it was good as per my setups, right? So this didn't like this didn't work, so I have one more trade appetite, which is like big one trade, but I am going to give market some time. I am going to give market some time, and after that time I will be entering in the trade. Otherwise I will be closing for the day. See, we don't need this zones as of now, because when we were trading at this zone, that very important. I will just write this. See the importance of this zone. See, it has a rejection, it has a retest on the same zone. If we shorted with this, we would have got almost 10 points. See this reversal zone, I have explained you this reversal zone, right? I have already told you this reversal zone. See, rejection, stop loss, and it has given 1:3. So this is what it plays, right? But we had a double confirmation here. We had a trap here and it was going up. We had a trap here, it was going up. So that's why we were not interested in this sale. Otherwise, if market overall, let's see from daily time frame. From daily time frame, if market was negative on a 4-hour time frame, if market was negative like this, we'd have entered in the sale. On hourly time frame also, you will notice that now it has created a structure like this right now, but when it was at this level, I am looking like this only, I am not looking like this. So probably you can see now pattern like this, from this swing low to this swing high. You have probably this 0.5 as a support, which I have already explained somewhere in the live streaming. Here you can try big. Here you will get 100-point rally, 200-point rally, 120-point, 150-point rally you will get from here, because you see big momentum, retracement, and again big momentum. So probably you will get somewhere around here. See how much is it, like 120. So probably you will get again another 100-point rally. So there is a possibility, right? But at which level? At this level it is possible, not at this level. For the small scalp on the buying side, which previously supported this level, we got our SL hitted, right? Switch back to the 30-minute time frame, switch back to the 15-minute time frame. You can clearly see market is not getting, like market creating swing, a very small swing, like after the trap, but it is making only trap. It is not crossing the highs, it is not showing some bullish momentum. That means it is just like a price and time correction. Even this also market will go up, it will create a trap, and then after that it will go up or again down. It will hit everybody's SL and then it will go up. So these are the possible things in the market. So probably what you need to do, you have to just wait here, right? I will unhide everything. Now you see we have buying zone here, it is at the buying. So see, again I will try like buying here with the SL of this low, which is like again 5 points, and my target will be another 1:2 here, which is like the next swing, right? But if market is going to give me only trap, it will just come down here, hit my SL, it will go up like this, right? So instead of doing that, I will be just waiting. Market has given a good rally, a good confirmation, like swing high breakout, change of structure, trap, big momentum, retracement, but nothing worked. That means there is less possibility that this can also work. So I will be closing my stream for today, and we will be meeting on tomorrow only, because I have already live stream for another 3, like already 3 hours. It's almost 3 hours and we are streaming. So I will be not coming live on the evening, but if I get signal or trade setup on evening, I will be explaining it on tomorrow's live stream, right? So let's just see, guys. See, I told you, na, everybody's will SL will get hit here. See, many player entered because of this momentum. I can tell you, many players entered. We got 1:1, but our initial target is 1:2, right? And though I have like not entered with this full quantity. So, and I added some quantity, sorry, where I added another quantity here in this zone, right? But it hitted my SL. That's fine, right? No worries. We'll see you in some time, guys. I guess we need to close for the today, and there is no. We had lost like two trades, not two trades, one and half, 1.8, I can say, 1.6, 1.8 trade we have lost, and we had another one trade appetite for today, and we'll trade that only in the evening session, right? We have our buying zone as well as here. You can see clearly we have buying zone here. If market reaches till this zone in the evening, gives us a trap, then we can buy for this target which is going to be like very big trade, and this trade will cover losses for true trade and also will make a big profit out of this trade, right? And again, I will be not interested in the scalp trades or the 5 minute trades which we took already here. See, we took this trade somewhere around here and we lost that, so I'm not interested in this level in the evening. I will be taking only one trade, only one after the confirmation, and that's it. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today, and we'll wrap up stream here. We'll meet in the evening. Sorry, I hide drawing for this account. I have to hide it for this. See, guys, we lost very good trades. Probably need to take a break, guys, right? Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for today. We'll see you on tomorrow's stream. Bye bye.